Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. We're back at the Williamson. I was here last Sunday when water was pouring out of quote unquote their water heater. It was actually their boiler. While I was there, a good technician is observant of his surroundings, and I saw that the flue pipe for the water heater and for the boiler did not have proper pitch. As a matter of fact, it was back pitched. I tested draft, we did a combustion test, made sure it was safe. Didn't want to start doing things on a Sunday morning, but I wanted to correct the immediate issue, which was the water pouring out of the relief valve of the boiler because the expansion tank had failed. And made note of the condition of the boiler, needed a good cleaning, and I said, listen, let's schedule a service call during the week, and here I am now. So I'm going to show you from start to finish how to properly install flue piping with pitch and how to test it. You don't need a $3,000 or $2,000 combustion analyzer. All you need, like the cavemen, you need a source of flame. You need a flame. You need something that burns. You want to do a smoke test. And I'm going to show that later on in this video. So stick around and make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's get going. Okay. This may look familiar to some of you, but as you can see, we're pitched up here and then we're pitched down, right? We have to get a little creative here. First thing I'm going to do, kill the power to the boiler, and I'm going to put this on pilot, just like that. See? Okay, now we don't have enough pitch in this line with the water heater diverter in place. Not gonna happen. And the height of this diverter on top of the boiler, this Williamson. Oh look, it's me. If you want any stickers, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. And we cannot, see, no more water. We cannot cut this back. Can't do it. No bueno. No bueno aquí. So let's start taking this apart. I don't think I even need to take this off here though, but I don't like tape. I like to use screws, and 3 screws per joint. So I'm going to take this apart a little bit. I'm going to cut down this elbow and see what we got. And looks like they're using a piece of wire hanger. No wire hangers. What movie is that from? No wire hangers. All right, I disconnected the flue wire from the 6-inch elbow at the top of the automatic vent damper, and I pulled off the diverter. And if you notice, they already had an idea, or they had a thought that they didn't have good pitch, but they tried nonetheless. Now the objective here is, can I cut enough off this elbow to have proper pitch there? Let's see if I can do it. I hate it when this happens. And they have to go back to the truck to get the flue pipe crimper. See, cut a nice 12-inch piece, exactly what I needed. And of course, I'm fighting to get it on, and I need to crimp the end of the horizontal diverter. All right, and to all of you newbies out there, the correct way to crimp, right, is with the 2 towards you. If you go this way, you think you're going to crimp more, you're actually going to crimp less. So the 2 feet, or the 2 like little jaws looking guys, they go towards you. And you go all the way around the circumference of the flue. All right, been on site for about 35 minutes. Let me show you what I got, what I accomplished. There's a 6-inch flue. There's a 6x6 smoke wire. We have a 6x4 smoke reducer. That's all existing. We threw in this horizontal diverter, and I put a new 90 smoke elbow there. I did not cut down this elbow, as you can see, and I did not cut down the diverter hood. Matter of fact, I didn't even touch it. It stayed here. This still stayed there on top of the board the whole time. All right, and there may be some of you out there like Mikey Pipes, you don't have sufficient pitch. So, there you go. There you go. Very, very slight pitch there, but we have pitch. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call using a horizontal diverter when the plumber effed up and didn't put a low boy in. So now, don't forget to turn their water heater back on. We're gonna crank this up. Pilot went out. See? Goddamn you, pilot. Let's see, there you go. Right there. Let's relight the pilot. Very easy. This is goes to pilot. See? Push that in. If you have good hearing, you can hear the gas. Hit that piezo igniter a few times and wait for the light to flash. All right, once that light flashes, you can let go. Let's crank up the temperature. Good. Gonna let that run for a couple minutes and then we'll test draft here. And I'm gonna use this as a simple smoke test to prove that the smoke is going up the diverter. All right. Let's try not to be an arsonist, but I don't know if you could see, the smoke is going up the diverter, and we'll use a flame as well. As you can see, the flame is not blowing out. As you can see, it's actually being sucked into. See that? It's being sucked into the diverter. This actually makes a good thumbnail. Look at that. See that? The flame is being sucked into the diverter. Let me get a little bit closer here so you can see that a little bit better. There's my flame. See that? See what's being pulled in there? That means you got good negative draft. Sorry, I was talking into it. See? All right. So, to the untrained eye, which is roughly 50% of the community watching my channel and probably even watching this video, this little clip right here may look fine to the, like I said, the untrained eye, but now we have proper and sufficient pitch from the water heater to the breaching of the flue, the chimney, and without modifying anything, because you're not supposed to modify this, without modifying that, now we have proper pitch. Before we even got started, this Y was the high spot, all right? And yes, you had a little bit of draft, but this was no bueno because they used the diverter that came with the water heater, and that's no good. So now we're good, and that's how you get it done, and that's how, with the smoke test, prove you don't need a $2,000 combustion analyzer to prove draft. All you need is a match or a flame, and we proved that we have proper draft now. We're gonna take things a step further. We're gonna turn the boiler on next and make sure we still have draft there. So thanks for watching. Be well, God bless, stay safe. And if this is the first time watching this video and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. It helps me be motivated to create more great and amazing content. Thank you so much for watching. Be well, God bless, stay safe.